Welcome to the standalone explainer. Human labels are slow and expensive, so what if a model does the grading instead? That is reinforcement learning from AI feedback, and it is how a lot of modern safety training actually works. We will walk a full critique and revise loop and see both why it is so powerful and where it quietly goes wrong. Here is the plan. How AI feedback replaces human labels, what a constitution is, and how it steers behavior, a worked critique, then revise example, and the central risk, whose biases end up baked into the model. The intuition is an open book exam that the student grades themselves. You give the model a short list of written rules, a constitution, it checks its own answer against those rules, rewrites the answer to follow them better, and the before and after pair becomes a training label. Suddenly, the model can label its own data at massive scale. Anthropic's 2022 constitutional AI paper showed a model can learn harmlessness by critiquing itself against written principles. Then Google's 2023 RLAIF study found that AI feedback can match human feedback on quality far more cheaply. And crucially, the rest of the machinery, the reward model and PPO, stays exactly the same. Mechanically, it is two phases. In phase 1, the model drafts an answer, critiques it against a principle, and rewrites it. In phase 2, an AI ranks pairs of answers to build preference data, and then the standard reward model and PPO take over. Only the labeler changed. Let us watch phase 1 on a concrete example. The principle, be helpful and harmless. The draft starts to explain how to pick a lock. The model critiques itself. This could enable a break-in, unsafe, and rewrites it into a safe refusal that still tries to help. Now here is the clever part. The draft and the revision together become one preference pair, revision preferred over draft, labeled entirely by the AI. No human was in this loop at all. Phase 2 is even simpler. The AI as a ranker. Take a prompt and two answers. Ask the judge model which one better follows the principle. Here, be accurate and kind. It picks A with high confidence, and we store A beats B as a comparison. Thousands of these AI-labeled comparisons train the reward model with no human ranking required. That is the entire cost saving of RLAIF. Zooming out, the whole pipeline is just RLHF with one box swapped. Everything you learned about reward models and PPO still applies. The only change is that the human ranker in the middle becomes an AI ranker. That single swap is what makes the data cheap and effectively unlimited. And here is why people were so excited. AI feedback reached roughly the same quality as human feedback, but at a small fraction of the cost and time. When your bottleneck is human labeling, removing the human is a huge unlock. But cheap is not the same as correct. The judge's blind spots get copied straight into the reward. A vague constitution gives inconsistent labels, and judges can be fooled by confident, wordy answers. So teams keep some human oversight, write a clear constitution, and audit the judge on the hard cases. Side by side, the win rates are almost identical. Human-labeled RLHF and AI-labeled RLAIF land within a point of each other on human preference. Nearly the same quality, at a fraction of the cost. That is the headline of this whole approach. One question should stay with you after this video. Whenever you see reinforcement learning from AI feedback, ask yourself, who is the judge and what constitution is it actually following? Because everything the model learns flows from that judge. A wise, well-specified judge produces a well-aligned model. A biased or vague one quietly bakes those very flaws into the reward. The judge is not a detail, it is the whole value system, and it deserves as much care as the algorithm. So, in short, RLAIF replaces human labels with AI judgments guided by a written constitution, cheap and scalable, but it inherits whatever biases the judge has. We have now made feedback cheap. In the next standalone video, we make the algorithm itself simpler. DPO drops the reward model and the whole RL loop. Thanks for watching.